All right, you're on video. Look at the girls raking the leaves for the leaf pile. Stop. What's the matter with you? Holy moly. All right, you're getting there.
Isn't up to our waist yet?
Yeah, that's pretty high. Is that higher than your father's?
I don't know. That's our goal to get it better than his. Our goal was to get it higher than his and bigger. Ow! No, it's my arm.
All right, take a jump while I got you in the camera.
Alright, take a jump. I don't want to. I don't want to jump in it yet.
Okay. Well, it's going to be getting dark soon. It's going to be getting dark.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of big leaves. I'm sort of glad we're short, Carly. Me too. So we don't have to make it so high. I wonder what Addie's doing right now. Oh, 5 cents. Discount. Parents aren't home.
Rake them leaves, girl. Rake them leaves.